Hey guys, welcome to my channel Yardman 876, and as you can see, we're in a country and go visit my bro on the farm. So we could see what I go on. Remember to subscribe and share and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how we can do better with the video, with the next video. Alright, so in our country, let's do this. Country life. I've got good on the farm, you know. Same vehicle there. Down on the farm, on the hillside, guys. Mm, well, I guess the farm the behind the bush, cause in park right here, so I guess I don't want so make a chat it through. So I go on. Yes, man. See him over there, so there. Like him do some spraying and thing. Yeah, you can see all of the hills. Hey, a nice view this too. You know, something always I show best view. Look at this, guys. Sweet pepper. Sweet pepper for days, months, and years. Yeah, do I hide from the camera?
Come down and walk in the yard, man. He
Uh,
don't look and chat and cucumber there, so ray.
I spot the cucumber them there. Oh, over on the side there. So we are go through some sweet pepper. What? Them a blossom man.
Yeah, man, I'm here.
I'll call them small.
I put on, you go find another more dark one over there.
Over to the right.
Priority, I see that. Make it more fun.
To this one here now. Like one dry up.
Like I first like I want to show it. Some like to try and cut some of them, you know.
Oh.
A couple of them in the kitchen.
Run an interview for him now.
You look the farmer, man.
Yeah, man. Big up the farmer.
Yes, no man, where you say down, my brother?
Alright, question. From seeds to vegetable, how long it take?
Alright, you see the seed now, we set the seed in the tray and it take about 4 weeks. After 4 weeks now, then we get them plant in the garden, and then after we plant them, now we wet them with nutrients, and then, you know, trees to the stage, you know, we throw them fertilizer around them. Now, there, you know, I go and do some spraying in the morning, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man, keep them nice and thing, because you don't know, you have some local rain, you know, and if you don't take care of them, the rain will damage them.
Okay.
So you give them some spray up. So that me there up under the man, you know, and thing, you know. So, yeah, man, there, brother, go and do some rain at the man, you don't know.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, I go and do my thing.
Support the local farmers.
Yes, man, yeah, man, support the farmer, man, because the farmer have to work, you know, you don't know, the farmer have to work hard.
That's right.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Nice. Yes. If you can look in between, right there, you can see the flower. Yeah. And we head over to the cucumber garden. Over on the right. Also, when you come to St. Elizabeth, you know, them's the farming. I'll go over to the cucumber. Alright, over to the cucumbers now. Yes, guys, you have to support the local farmers, you see? Nice in the sun. Yes. Hard work. Yes guys, so this is the cucumber field. This is the cucumber field from all the way down there and go back all the way up there. Let me give you a close up on what the cucumber plant look like. Yes, and this farm is located in St. Elizabeth, a section in genus St. Elizabeth, and over there on the back part you have the Alpart mining over there of the Alpart mining. Let me see if I can zoom it up for you guys. Yes, over there. You see the structure. Yeah. I don't know much about cucumbers, but I'll do a little research for you later on in the video and give you some info on what cucumbers do for the body. And I can't stop stressing support the local farmers. They're doing a very good job, and that's my brother right there supporting. Further down in the video, we're going to visit a melon. Yes, we're going to the melon farm after this, right?
Yeah, man.
Visiting the melon farm.
Make one different one with that one.
Yes. We'll visit the melon farm after. Okay, guys. So stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned to the next video for the melon farm up close and personal. Alright?
Yes, people, I don't know, you know. And the yard man thing, you know. The support the man I do him thing, so just like and subscribe. You don't know. Support yard man business, you don't know. A real yard thing. See?
Alright.
Bless up.